we're going to talk about RV batteries, so the LifePo4 batteries that you can upgrade to. So we're going to talk about different levels of classification, quality, and you see cheap ones out there, you see super expensive ones out there, and what do you get out of this? So let's start with we're going to go with 100 amp hour batteries, and you'll see some really really cheap ones out there, and in my opinion, LiPo batteries are kind of like cars. You got the cheap compact car, you got the mid-grade car, then you got the luxury car. And batteries are no different. So if you get the luxury battery out there, has all these cool features, it's also a luxury car. After a few years, some of these features might break on you. It's going to cost you a lot. So in my opinion, I wouldn't get the luxury brand LifePo4 battery. And I wouldn't get the compact car one either. So compact car one would be those really cheap 100 amp hour batteries that you see out there that are just dirt cheap. And in my opinion, you're going to ask more trouble out of those. If you go with a mid battery, so in my book, the eco-worthies are a good mid battery, and the XZYN batteries. Now, the benefits of the eco-worthy are they are really reliable. They're built very, very well, so they have a great construction inside. All the cables are soldered together very well. But the eco-worthy is a great mid battery. And the XZYN, I actually upgraded my batteries to the XZYN. And the reason why I love, and I mean I love this battery, is because of the size. So I can get, a 280 amp hour battery, and it's only this big. So it's just a little bit bigger than a 100 amp hour battery, yet I get almost 3 times the power out of it. So for a mid, battery, I think the XZYN is a great, great, great battery, and the EcoWorthy is a great battery. Now, neither one of these batteries are paying me to say anything about these. It's just I've tested them, I've run them through the RV, I've checked their low temperature cutoff switches, and everything seems to be working good. For years of service through these batteries, they hold up really well. So I think they're just a good mid price range battery. And they're probably a little bit on the mid to lower end for pricing, but they're just a really good battery. That's why I want to give praise to those people because, when you make something really good and high quality, you should get a little praise out of it. And that's why I want to tell you all, about them because there's a lot of batteries out there. And those are the two that I think are really good quality for the price that you're going to pay for it. And you know how much these batteries are. They're freaking expensive out there. So try to get a good battery that's not going to break the bank. Oh, another thing. Uh, Make sure you look to make sure these batteries have a low temperature cutoff and high temperature cutoff. And there's a couple other features that you should watch for on these batteries. And that's something you really need to make sure it has. Because some of the lower cost ones don't have a low temperature cutoff, which means you can accidentally put power into these batteries when it's below the charging temperature, and you can just destroy that battery. So don't destroy a battery. Make sure it has those qualities. And I'll list them here, and I'll list them in the description of what kind of quality you need in a battery.